Hello students, now I am going to 12th problem in exercise 11.1. 12th problem is to warn ships for underwater rocks. A lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degrees to a distance of 16.5 kilometers. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. See in this figure, this highlighted region is lighthouse spreads a red color light. Okay, over a sector. OACB is a sector. This is the light covered. Angle is given and radius also given in this problem. Radius is 16.5 kilometers and angle is given theta equal to 80 degrees. Now we find out area of sector. Area of sector OACB equal to, you know the formula, area of sector formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta means 80 by 360 into pi means 22 by 7 r square, that means 16.5 whole square. 0 0 cancellation. Now we take 4 table, 4 2s, 4 9s. Okay, in numerator we get 2 into 22, that means 44 by 9 into 7, that means 63. 16.5 whole square, that means 16.5 into 16.5. Okay, next here we get to overall value is 189.97 kilometers square. Okay, understood this problem? Thank you.